Hi and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Watercolor Confessions by Art Philosophy. This particular color palette is called as Currents and I'm super excited about this because of this. So I love beaches and I absolutely would love painting all the scenes from the beaches that I've visited over the last few years. So I'm quite excited about this set. So this particular one, it comes in a metal box and there are going to be 6 on each side, so 12 colors totally. To fold out, there'll be mixing palettes and there is also a blank swatch card. So let's unbox this and see how the colors are. So it has this thing over here where you can just insert it and you can hold it in your hands when you're painting. So this is in fact my 4th palette from Primer Marketing Art Philosophy sets. So let's unbox and see how these are. So I have the palette over here. They have 2 palettes and then they have the swatch card which have all the colors. So they have numbers attached to everything. So if any of yours colors get over, you could always go ahead and buy the individual ones. So I love their packaging. I think they've made some changes to it because I haven't seen this minimalist style earlier. So there are 12 colors: seaside, blue whale, ocean, Turkish sea, jellyfish, Caribbean sea, kelp, seagrass, sea green, algae, deep sea and bluefin. I'm super excited to try out these swatches. So let's unbox each one of them, remove the wrappers and set our palette. This is the seaside 133. It would have the numbers also inside. So let's wrap this. Yes, so it has the number over here. So that way, even if you miss out the name later, you don't have to worry about it. So here my set has been unboxed. I love how the colors look. It looks so bright and happy, and I can't wait to try out these swatches. So let's go ahead and do that. I find it very interesting that they have a really big swatch sheet now. I remember earlier they used to have just a single one and the space was half, so you can't really do a gradation over there, so you'll just be able to see like one style of the color. So I'm quite excited that they have a big swatch sheet. Also, if you don't already know, you can remove this entire set like this, and you can use this also as a palette. So you have basically 3 palettes. If you want, you could use this side, but then it becomes really difficult to use it. So I normally use these 2 and the one at the bottom. So let's start first with the first color, which is called as the sea side. It's so bright. It's beautiful. We're going to now go to the next one, which is the blue whale. I feel like going to the beach already. The next one is the ocean. The colors are fantastic. The vibrancy is amazing. The next is the Turkish Sea. Then is the jellyfish. These are all beautiful blues and the bluish greens. The next one is the Caribbean Sea. I like how they come up with the names for their colors. I'm going to try and find a history of it to let you guys know someday. So the first 6 colors are over, and we're moving on now to the bottom part of the palette, and we're trying out the first color, which is the kelp. So what's interesting also is they also tell you details about the light fastness. For everything they've given 3 stars. They've also told what are the pigments inside, which is very interesting. The next is the sea grass. Wow. The sea green. The algae is going to be interesting. It's extremely bright. Next is the deep sea. Wow. This reminds me of the night time. Even the night sky sometimes would be in this beautiful dark color. And the last one is the bluefin. The last one is the bluefin. So this is what this particular palette looks like. These are all its colors. They are so vibrant. The gradation happens so beautifully and smoothly. I absolutely love these. I can't wait to make more paintings and put up tutorials over here of the paintings that I make from this. Thank you so much.